Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about the 5 most important things that a college students can do in order to improve their career and life as well. Now, the first thing that you can do is grow your network. This is the time for you to come out of your shell and meet new people. Your network helps you gain different perspectives of situations. It teaches you different levels of communications. Now, good communication skills have many advantages in professional and personal life as well. Now, the second most important thing that you can do is explore your area of interest. University life gives you plenty of time to figure out your area of interest. There will be a lot of subjects that are taught to you in the college itself. Once we finish exam for those subjects, we tend to forget things we learnt. However, you must understand that there is a need to find your area of interest and be thorough in it. You can also opt for project or research on those topics. Interviewers ask candidates about their area of interest, and if you're good at it, they emphasize less on other subjects and ask more questions on your project and research. Now, let's jump on to the third most important thing that you can do. That is taking notes. Taking notes is often underrated among students because they rely on other sources of learning materials. However, if you utilize your time spent in attending lectures by taking proper notes, it will benefit you in a number of ways. It will improve your listening skills, it improves focus and attention to details, it extends attention span as well. On the other hand, if you waste your time doodling on the back page of the notebook, it will cost you double. You will have to spend more time in finding the right resources to study and then understand the content. Hence, make note making as your habit to excel academically. Prepare quality notes that can be shared and preserved. It is easier to revise the lessons by notes that you have noted down in your own way compared to printed text of books. Now, let's jump to the fourth most important thing, extracurricular activities. Taking part in extracurricular activities teams you up with people with the same interest. You learn how to organize club activities. Like-minded people come together to help the community. It rejuvenates you after academic activities and gives your mind a chance to reboot itself. Last, certainly but not the least, the fifth most important thing that you should do is get work experience. College is one of the best times to gain work experience. Try to get as much varied work experience as you can. It can either be part-time online jobs, internships, or tutoring students. You can take positions of responsibilities in college clubs. This teaches you professional behavior and how to work in a corporate environment. You can also understand what type of roles suits you. So that's it for now, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts or ideas, you are most welcome to post it in the comment section below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.